Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix unable to use filter on Instagram. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Instagram and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here at the bottom, you're going to find all of the sections. You're going to find the home section, search, reels, and lastly here, you're going to find your profile section. So basically guys, unable to use filter on Instagram has a lot of reasons. One of the reasons is maybe the person who created the filter has removed the filter and it's not available anymore. If not, then maybe just your internet connection is bad. So go ahead and check your internet connection. If you're already connected to a good internet connection, then follow the steps I'm going to show you. First of all, leave Instagram and then go to Play Store or App Store depending on which phone you have. And then once you do that, go to the search section and then go ahead and click on the search bar and search for Instagram. Once you do that, go ahead and click on Instagram and then you're going to be right here in this page. So once you're here, you're going to find two buttons, uninstall, and right next to it, you're going to find either update or open. If you find the update button available, go ahead and click on update and then just wait for the update to finish downloading. And once the update has finished, you're going to find this option to open the application. Just click on open, and then this will take you back to Instagram. And after you're back on Instagram, just try to use that filter again, and your problem should be fixed. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.